are a little lean for me, but I love your scrawny arms. If you can just flex a little bit, that's amazing. Yes. Okay. And also as well, I was trying not to be shallow over the shirt, but the see-throughness, it's a nice style, probably not initially for me, and I was thinking it over. So I apologize for that shallowness. All right.
Yo, she's so
And
extra,
she's someone
bro.
that's your type. Oh,
Nah, she's my type. I'm a type.
Okay.
I love the tattoos. I love the body work. Yeah.